Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 51 in Geometry Demystified 2nd edition. Please refer to pages 356 and 357. If we increase the volume of a cube by a factor of 125, then what happens to its surface area? Well, here's a cube. Each side, or rather each edge of the cube measures S units long, and every angle between every possible pair of edges is a right angle. That's what a cube is. The volume of this cube equals S cubed. The surface area of any given face of this cube is S squared. The total surface area of the cube, therefore, equals 6S squared, because there are 6 faces in any cube. Okay, now let's suppose that we increase the length of each side by a factor of 5. That happens to be what we need to do to get the volume 125 times as great, because 5 happens to equal the cube root of 125. So what we're doing by increasing the volume of this cube by a factor of 125 is making each of these sides 5S units long, like that. So now the volume becomes 5S cubed, or 125 times S cubed. Okay, that's what happens to the volume. What happens to the surface area? Well, the surface area now becomes 6 times 5S squared. Okay, that equals 6 times 25S squared, which in turn equals, well, what's 6 times 25? 150. So instead of 6S squared, we now have 150S squared as the surface area of this cube. Well, what factor is that? 150 divided by 6 equals 25. So what we've in fact done is increase the surface area of this cube by a factor of 25. 25. And that is choice E.